I said, that's a long time. You know, that's a long time. So I think that might be tapping us along. But Iran has to get rid of the concept of a nuclear weapon. They cannot have a nuclear weapon. He can't have a nuclear weapon. Nobody can have. We can't have anybody having nuclear weapons, you know.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump mengatakan Iran harus mengubur mimpinya dalam-dalam untuk memiliki senjata nuklir. Jika tidak, maka Teheran akan menghadapi kemungkinan serangan militer dari Amerika Serikat. Berbicara kepada wartawan di Ruang Oval pada Senin 14 April, Trump mengatakan Iran harus bergerak cepat untuk menghindari respons keras dari negaranya. Sebab Washington menilai Teheran sudah cukup dekat untuk mengembangkan senjata nuklir. Pada Sabtu 12 April lalu, utusan khusus Amerika Steve Witkoff bertemu dengan pejabat senior Iran di Oman. Pertemuan itu membahas program nuklir Iran yang dikhawatirkan Amerika sebagai langkah awal pembuatan senjata nuklir. Baik Iran maupun Amerika mengatakan bahwa mereka melakukan pembicaraan yang positif dan konstruktif. Putaran kedua dijadwalkan pada Sabtu 19 April mendatang, namun kemungkinan akan digelar di Roma, Italia.
Well, they have to solve their problem very quickly. Iran wants to deal with us, but they don't know how. They really don't know how. We had a meeting with them on Saturday. We have another meeting scheduled next Saturday. I said, that's a long time. You know, that's a long time. So I think that might be tapping us along. But Iran has to get rid of the concept of a nuclear weapon. They cannot have a nuclear weapon. He can't have a nuclear weapon. Nobody can have. We can't have anybody having nuclear weapons. You know, we can't have nuclear weapons. And I think they're tapping us along because we're so used to dealing with stupid people in this country. And I had Iran perfect. You had no attacks. You would have never had October 7th in Israel, the attack by Hamas. Because Iran was broke. They were stone cold broke when I was president. And I don't want to do that. I want them to be a rich, great nation. The only thing is, one thing, simple. It's really simple. They can't have a nuclear weapon. And they got to go fast. Because they're fairly close to having one. And they're not going to have one. And if we have to do something very harsh, we'll do it. And I'm not doing it for us, I'm doing it for the world. And these are radicalized people, and they cannot have a nuclear weapon.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.